So I'm going to walk around, and there's so many spices around here. You can get so many spices, you can get so much Turkish delight, and there's so much different type of cheese, food located around this bazaar. Thank you very much.
How are you, brother?
I'm okay, brother. You okay?
Where are you from?
I'm from London.
London?
Yes, sir.
England?
England, London.
I like David Beckham.
David Beckham. Nice
Yes.
to meet you. Take care, man.
Me football play.
Yeah.
Me football play Newcastle United.
Newcastle United.
Yes.
Alright. Thank you.
Allah'ım thank you.
Teşekkürler.
Var mı? Versene.
Turkish football.
Manchester United.
Turkish.
Beşiktaş.
Galatasaray. Yellow red.
Sorry. Yes, brother.
I like brother play.
Thank you. You black. Yes, brother. So over here you got all different type of spices, as you can see. So when you come to the spice bazaar, you guys can find so many different type of spices, and it's so cheap. 32 Turkish lira, 30 Turkish lira, 30 Turkish lira, 28. The prices can also go down. But there's so many. I'm okay, thank you. There's so many type of stuff you can buy here. There is a lot of tourists around here. Heaps and heaps and heaps of tourists. Again, some more spices that you guys can see around here. It varies. Hello.
How are you?
Merhaba, I'm okay. Nice to meet you. Some more spices. I'm going to carry on. There's also olives over here as well. So I'm going to carry on around this famous spice market. Merhaba, you okay? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Oh, okay, maybe not. Merhaba. You got dates. So many different type of things around here. And I think this is the Grand Bazaar. This is one entrance of the Grand Bazaar that you guys can see. But I'm going to carry on walking around the spice market. And I want to get lost and show you guys what it's like to be around here. There's a lot of people around here. So many people around here. What I'm going to do actually, I'm going to go inside the Grand Bazaar. I'm going to blog inside the Grand Bazaar. Then I'm going to exit from one side to the other. And I'm going to get lost around here. And I'm going to see if it's worth it. I'm not really going to buy anything. So I don't want to buy anything. So you got to get your temperature checked over here. Hello.
Mask in the
Yeah, I've got my mask here. Mask here, mate. Put it on. Thank you. Right, you've got to put on the mask. When you enter the Grand Bazaar. So this is the Grand Bazaar. The famous Grand Bazaar. I came here 5 years ago, literally 5 years ago. And this place is just wham. It's massive. There's so many parts of the Grand Bazaar that you guys can enter. So the spice market is located around the corner from the Grand Bazaar.
Evet.
And you guys can come here.
How are you, my friend?
Merhaba.
Merhaba dayı.
You guys can come here and you can actually buy different type of spices, different type of things that you want. Pardon?
We have everything except customers.
That's a very good one. The guy tried to scam me over there. This is the Grand Bazaar. The infrastructure is actually nice, it's beautiful, it is massive, this Grand Bazaar. You get all different types of spices over here. I'm just going to carry on walking and see what I can find around here. Hello sir, you okay?
Hi, how are you?
Not too bad.
Where do you come from?
I'm from London, bro.
Yo, we come from.
Pardon? From London.
Here you go.
Try? What is this?
It's Turkish delight.
Turkish delight?
Yeah.
It's free?
It's just worth a try. It's
Okay.
for free, of course.
Well, I'm going to try one thing over here.
Yeah.
I'll try this one here.
It's full of pistachio and
Okay.
this is almond as well.
No, that's good.
It helps you to losing weight.
Yeah?
It reduces appetite and aid weight loss. This is pomegranate, the most popular one here.
What's your name?
My name's Ali.
Ali?
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, bro. Nice to meet you, my friend.
Take care, man.
I am from Syria.
Syria?
Yes.
Nice to meet you, brother.
My family, they are living in London, by the way.
London?
Yeah.
Do they enjoy it?
No?
It's very cold.
Of course.
Take care, brother.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Goodbye. You have Chanel on?
Where are you from? Hi.
Are you right?
Where are you from?
Say hello.
Where are you from?
London.
I am from London.
Alright, I'm going to give this gentleman here I'm gonna give him my channel.
Yeah? Why not?
Why not? That is the Turkish wrap is very tasty.
Thank you.
Very good.
Thank you. Not now. Here. Write your name.
Thank you very much.
Your channel name.
Yeah. Just subscribing to my YouTube channel right now.
Yeah?
How did you put your notifications on? That's right, put your notifications
Okay.
on. Wow, that's me there, man.
Yeah.
Thank you very
That's
much.
Good.
Take
Nice to meet
care.
you, my friend. Have a nice day.
Thank you very much. Right, he was actually the first person that I interacted over here. You okay? Yeah, that guy tried to scam me. He's actually the first person that actually interacted with me over here, and he's actually polite. So this Grand Bazaar, it's massive. Actually, I'm in the Spice Bazaar, I apologise. This is not the Grand Bazaar, this is the Spice Bazaar. The Grand Bazaar is a bit of a walk. And this is where you get all your different type of spices, like I said. But you gotta be careful, it is a tourist trap around here. I'm not too bad. You change your accent very quick.
Me?
Yeah, where you from?
I used to be in UK.
Whereabouts in the UK?
Portsmouth.
Where?
Portsmouth.
Portsmouth. How come you come back to Turkey?
It's our family business, so I run it
Okay.
for them now.
Okay.
I was in Portsmouth for 8 years and I moved up to Northwest to Southport.
Okay.
Or Liverpool.
Liverpool, yeah, I know, alright. This is a very beautiful area. I'm gonna carry on walking, alright,
Happy
yeah?
days, bro.
Enjoy your day,
Take
thank you very
care,
much.
all the best.
No problem. All different type of spices. Rule number 1, when you travel and you go to a touristic area, keep the conversation. What's going on?
Are you a YouTuber?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm not too bad, how are you?
You want to try chocolate?
I'm okay, thank you very much. I just got one of it.
We have Turkish Viagra, spice
I'm
tea.
okay, I'm okay. Thank
Where
you.
are you from?
From London.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Nice
Take
to
care.
meet you.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Like I said, rule number 1 when you come to Turkey or all over the world, whenever you travel, keep the conversation very short, very sweet before they scam you. Next thing you know, you'll be paying some hefty prices. So that's, in my opinion, that's rule number 1. And rule number 2, just enjoy it. Make the most of your journey. Just make the most of your journey. So I'm gonna exit the Spice Bazaar and I want to go towards the Grand Bazaar. That's what I want to go to. But this place is humongous. Literally, it's humongous. Right. So I'll flip the camera. Show you whereabouts I am. I'm gonna take off my mask because I can't really breathe around here. But this is heaps and heaps of people. Here we go. Scammer number 1. What is this? What's this? I'm okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Right, carry on walking. Like I said, rule number 1, keep the conversation very short and sweet. When people try to offer you stuff, nothing is free in this world, that's one thing I realise. But in Turkey, like I said, Istanbul is a beautiful city, but there's a lot of scammers. Don't be vulnerable when you come here, especially to the city. Merhaba.
Merhaba.
You okay?
Merhaba, merhaba.
Merhaba.
Hello. Güzel gidiyor mu Türkiye?
So when you come over here, don't get scammed. I'm lost already. Already I'm lost.
Yılanlar.
Merhaba.
Canlanıyoruz.
You okay? Yes. I'm not too bad. Hey, what's going on? Hi, what's your name?
My name.
Yes. Ooh, what's your name?
My name Sami.
Sam.
Yeah, exactly.
Where you from?
I am from Syria.
From Syria.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
How long you been in Turkey?
6 years.
6 years. Do
Exactly.
you like Turkey?
Yeah, too much.
Okay.
Good people.
Good people.
Yeah, and you are from?
I'm from London.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice
yeah.
people and good people.
Okay. You watch YouTube? You guys watch YouTube? YouTube, you know YouTube?
YouTube?
Yeah.
You have YouTube?
I'm a YouTuber.
Really?
You're on
Game-
YouTube right now. You're on YouTube right now. This is going on YouTube. I'll give you my channel.
I gave you.
Thank you very much. This one right here. Yeah. That's right.
Yeah,
Talk.
Thank you very
No
much.
problem. So
Live.
this
It's
is
on live.
this is live. So this is the Spice Bazaar, right? It's the Spice Bazaar.
Spice Bazaar?
Spice Bazaar.
No.
Where's the?
Down.
Okay. And where's the Grand Bazaar?
You want the Grand Bazaar? Go straight.
All the way?
Right,
Yeah.
left, straight.
Right, straight, right?
Yeah. What's your name in the
I'll give you
YouTube?
my name over here right now.
Yeah.
Well, these guys are just gonna subscribe to my channel. I've just met them right now. Just giving them my channel, Blackman, the Traveller.
Exactly.
That's my channel right here, bro.
This you?
That's me, man.
Okay.
Kaç şey varmış?
Okay.
All my videos.
Okay. Thank
And you have
you.
Instagram?
Yeah.
I'll give you my Instagram as well.
I need photo with you.
Yeah, okay, no
I will
problem.
do the-
Right.
Tezgahımızı çek de meşhur olsun. Tezgahımızı çek meşhur olsun.
Yes, yes, yes. One second, one second.
One second ha.
Yani dakika diyor, 1 dakika.
Yeah, yeah.
Kaç abonesi varmış?
Let's keep it going, let's keep it going.
Adanalı mısın sen?
Hayır abi ya. Yeah, I
do
need.
it.
No, I need the
Photo.
photo.
Right, we're gonna take a photo, guys. Right, let's go, let's go, let's go. Take a photo. Yeah. This is gonna be raw content right over here. You don't know that many bloggers actually walk around Istanbul and actually what's going on? Yeah, what's going on? What's going on? Yeah, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
What's your name and?
I'll put it right now.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm just gonna tag myself.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, thank you very much.
Nice to meet you.
Take care.
Have a nice day, brother.
You too, take care, man, thank you. So the Grand Bazaar, keep going straight.
Yeah. Straight.
Yeah.
Right, left,
Yeah.
straight.
Let's go, thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, take care. Right, guys, you just saw that. Straight, right, left. Let's look for this Grand Bazaar. Just got stopped by a bunch of locals. The guy wanted a selfie. And I got a new subscriber. Great.
Al soğuk su.
Keep going, keep going. Grand Bazaar, here we come. Merhaba.
Çek bunu fotoğrafını.
Oh, I'm okay, I'm okay.
Tamam.
Jesus.
Nasıl iyisin?
Turkish kebab.
Bak kebap. Türk kebap.
Oh,
Turkish
I'm okay.
kebap.
You want a
Döner
picture?
kebap.
You want a picture together?
Çek çek.
Picture.
Tamam çek. Çekeyim mi diyor, büyüteyim mi diyor?
Right, we're gonna get a picture together.
Problem ne?
Photo.
Sesli de var ha, sesli de var. Sarıl bir. Ulan hayali gerçek. Bu hayali,
Yeter
bu
oğlum,
hayali,
fazla
bu
saldırma.
hayali. Çek dur orada.
Right, I'm gonna be in the middle.
Çektim.
Korkmazlar çek.
Şu direkt giriyor, direkt girsene.
Yeah. That's right.
Okey, pandemi var da fazla değil.
Correct. I'm getting the picture right now.
Okey.
Ha, okey.
Thank you.
Bunları büyüt çek.
Korkmazı da şey
Thank
yap.
you.
Hayvan da çek.
Teşekkürler.
Hadi yürü.
Right, let's carry on walking.
Gerçi biliyor burada oldu.
Right, I just got a selfie. Just got a selfie with a bunch of locals. Interesting. Let's keep going to the Grand Bazaar. Merhaba. You okay? Grand Bazaar. I'm looking for the Grand Bazaar. It is baking here. It is hot. It's so hot in Turkey right now. Whoopa. Okay. Merhaba. The Grand Bazaar.
Second left, this way Grand Bazaar.
Teşekkürler. Thank you.
Thank you.
Right, let's keep going. Sorry, mate. Right, let's keep going. All the way around here. Salam. Right, let's go. Ooh. Where's the Grand Bazaar, brother? Grand Bazaar.
Left. First on the left. Magazin.
Let's go. Magazine.
Star.
Satal. Salam. Thank you, brother. Second left, yeah?
Left, okay.
Teşekkürler. Merhaba. Keep going. Second left, you heard the geezer. Second left, second left. Hello. Merhaba. You okay? Merhaba.
Merhaba.
Yeah. Second left, right. I think we are making it towards the Grand Bazaar. Now look at that. The Grand Bazaar is all the way down here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna carry on filming as soon as I enter inside the Grand Bazaar. So we just started off from the Spice Market, which I thought it was the Grand Bazaar, but that was actually the Spice Market, the Spice Bazaar. So once I get inside towards the Grand Bazaar, I'm gonna carry on filming. And I'm gonna show you guys what it's like to actually be in the Grand Bazaar. There's a lot of people here. 1 second, brother. This video is going to continue as soon as I get inside the Grand Bazaar.